Spillover, spillover, spillover. I am Michael Jensen from DailyCashTeam. This is a screenshot I just took on February 14th. 17 in their downline, and they have not even promoted it yet. They are a person that is focused on another program, but there is spillover happening. If you get close to a leader like myself or some of the other team leaders that are underneath me in my matrix, we can only have 2 people in our front row, so everything else spills over underneath us. This is the second person that I brought into the program. This is the first person. That person has 9 people in spillover. Spillover is possible. This is what is possible. Do not rely on spillover. This is a little bit of spillover proof. It's a 2x10 matrix. What does that mean? It means me and the people below me that I bring into the team and they bring into the team are helping to build the whole network. Click on the link below this video. It may be a button if you're on my website or another team member's website. I am making custom branded pages for my team members. Look and see what's possible. This is back office proof of the spillover. Do not wait for spillover. Do not rely on spillover. Do not wait for other people to make you money. You should promote every day, at least a half hour, an hour a day, advertising, promoting. If you do nothing, you get nothing. Here's the income disclaimer. Results are not typical. Do your own research before you spend any money or take any kind of supplements. We are not doctors. We are not claiming to heal or cure any disease. There's a lot of research on these ingredients on the internet, a lot of testimonials. There's no guarantee of spillover, no guarantee that you're going to make any money. If you do nothing, if you blow it off and treat it like a hobby, it's not going to pay you anything. If you work hard, and entrepreneurs do work hard, we get results. When we get results, we get paid. This pays daily. It is worldwide and global. Do your own research. Results are not typical. HealthyNULiving. I cannot find anything I don't like about this program. It has the $25 fast start. You can get paid $25 instantly when somebody upgrades to become a builder affiliate. Or we can make 20% commission from the free members and the affiliates when they purchase products. And the prices and the ingredients are so incredible and such low cost. And the shipping is such low prices. People are buying the product because of the value and the prices. People are getting paid worldwide instantly because they have a pay quicker Visa or MasterCard. As soon as it gets in your back office, you can cash out and withdraw your money in 119 countries all over the world. So we are DailyCashTeam. Look and see what's possible. Watch our other videos. If you're watching this on one of my other teammates' channels, subscribe to their YouTube channel, click on their link, and sign up under them. Connect with me after you connect with your sponsor, whoever showed you this video. Get back to that person on my team. Sign up under them. They will hook you up with me. We can do a 3-way call. You don't have to know anything about this program. If you do a 3-way call with me, I can explain and answer the questions for you. So it's February 14th. Today is Monday, 2022. This compensation plan just launched January 7th. I got in January 16th, and I got on the leaderboard in I think it was less than a week. I got on the leaderboard. There's only 300 and some people that are upgraded to affiliates, so this is very, very small, very young. Most of those affiliates that are upgraded are doing nothing, and they have not recruited anybody or made any sales. So if you get busy and you get in and you take action, you can make money quick. I did. And it's possible, but it's no guarantee that you're going to make money. You have to promote and advertise either using postcards, flyers, or the internet. We teach you how to do all that. You don't have to know anybody. We teach you how to promote to the public, and we use capture pages so that we can get the name, the email, and the phone number so we can connect with people. Not to sell them, not to harass them, just to be their friend and to be helpful and solve their problems and help them. Even if they're in another program, if they're not making money, they should get a hold of me. I can give them tips and pointers and ideas because I didn't start making money many years ago until I had 3 or 4 people on Skype talk to me, and they became my mentors and coaches. Everybody needs a mentor and a coach. 17 people in their downline, and they're not even promoting yet. I don't know why. Maybe they're distracted.